Yes, you guys, what's up and welcome to another video. Today I have the brand new Canon R5C which shoots 8K and we put it on the Cinelifter FPV drone and yeah, rope it around. Have fun. Okay, this was very loud. The motors are hot, the battery is warm. I think it's not the good setup for this camera, the drone. Maybe it's too heavy, I don't know. I flew the A7S III with a different lens on this drone before and it handled it pretty good. So I thought that could work too, but I think, yeah, the throttle was very high, it was pushing. Maybe this is not a good setup for a camera, this drone. I don't know. I will try it on the Sicario, the camera. Sicario has much more power, so this shouldn't be an issue. Yeah, okay, let's try it.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we put this Canon R5C on this Shendron Sicario. Much more power. It's an X8 6S 8-inch platform. Yeah, Sicario is one of the best cinelifters on the market right now. Okay, this is a big problem here. As you can see, the prop is hitting the camera, so cannot move. The Sicario is designed for box cameras like the Komodo and the Z-Cam. So luckily we saw that before we took off. Yeah, this I think can't work. Can maybe put the camera more behind, then this maybe is possible, but like this it can't work. Yeah, okay. So now my assistant John, thank you John, adjusted the camera, put it backwards, more backwards, so we have enough space for the propeller to spin. Looks good to me. Yeah, we will try it out. I think we will maybe have props in view because the camera is now a little bit backwards. Maybe we can see the props here in the footage later. It's a 16mm full frame lens from Canon. We will try it now, the first flight, and we will see. So enjoy the flight. Peace. This was a good flight, I think. I got about 5 minutes flight time. It flies very good, very smooth. I'm very impressed. Like I said, I don't know if maybe the props are in the footage. You can see it right now, I guess. But I'm happy with the performance. It's okay. We put the Canon R5C on the Shendron's thick. It's a Cinelifter and yeah, it has a different form, so I don't think that we will have props in view this time. I also changed the lens on the Canon R5C, so now we're shooting at the Laowa 9mm lens. It's a full frame. No, it's not a full frame. I guess it's a Super 35. So you can write in the comments if you see maybe a vignette or something. And yeah, let's fly.
Okay, as you can see, the footage is very shaky. It has a lot to do with many different reasons. The first one is that I didn't use the correct LiPo battery for this flight. Normally I should run a 4000 or 5000 for the thick, but I only had a 2000 mAh LiPo with me. The second reason is I had two damaged props because I hit a tree a week before this flight. And I didn't manage to buy new props, and the tuning could be better. We didn't know exactly how to use the gyro data because Canon doesn't has an own stabilization software like Catalyst Bros, for example, for Sony. But of course this was only a test flight, so next time I will improve. That's FPV. You test, you improve.
Okay, the battery just dropped dramatically. I forgot to check the battery. It was, I think, about 18 volt on a 6S battery. It's not good, you know. But the flight was okay. Stop the camera. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. And yeah, leave a comment, a like. I appreciate your support. Write what you would like to see next. What should I do? Should I dance while flying or should I make break dance moves? Until next time, peace.